Welcome everybody back to the Tech Woke YouTube channel. My name is Chris, and on this channel we talk about cyber career and life. And in this video, we're going to talk about some tips that a new information system security officer should know when they first start off in the job. So for the first step, I would read the NIST guidelines as much as possible, to be specifically the NIST 853 Rev 5, and just read it. Read it about controls, read it about the RMF stuff, just read it very, very, very thoroughly. Because your job as an information system security officer is RMF, risk management, and majority of the risk management procedures come from the NIST guidelines. So that's the majority of your job is going to be based off of. Even if you're using a system to manage your RMF, it's still going to be based off the NIST guidelines. So read that as much as possible if you're starting off as a new ISSO. So the second thing I would do as a new ISSO, I would start building a point of contact list, or you can call it a POC list. When I first started as an ISSO, there were so many stakeholders you had to talk to, and I didn't really know who specifically to talk to. So for me, it was trial by error. I would reach out to somebody, that person's not a part of my team, okay, I track it. So it took me some time to figure out, okay, this is the system administrator, this is the PMO, this is the PM, this is the system owner, this is this person. So I would just make a POC list as soon as possible, so in case that you can quickly get to the person you need to talk to and also help out your team. So mainly start working on your POC list as soon as possible. The third and final step, I would tell everybody, make sure when you get to your organizations, read your documents for the program and your system as much as possible. The thing I was dealing with as a new ISSO, it was hard for me to be in meetings talking about my system because I didn't know how the system worked. I didn't know what was going on. I didn't know what it was for. So when you first start off, just make sure you read all the documents that you have for your program, everything, how it started, what it's about. Just make sure you deep dive on what the program is about, learn how the system works, what servers, everything you need to know. Make sure you dive into that so you can make sure when you get into these meetings, you can know what you're talking about. So that's pretty much it, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, put your comments down below if you differ or have a different opinion. But other than that, peace out. I'll see you on the next video.